Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain how to do SMS bombing using Kali Linux. So it's basically for educational purpose. Do not misuse it. So let's get started without wasting more time. First of all, open the Firefox browser and search for T-bomb. After searching for it, open the first result from GitHub and copy the URL from GitHub. Just come back to the terminal and switch to the root user. To get root, type sudo space su and enter your password and you get root. After that, you will have to come to cd desktop directory and clone the copied URL. Now navigate to the tbomb directory by typing tbomb. After that, execute the bomber.py script. Just simply type /bomber.py. After hitting enter, you will be redirected to T-bomb tool. Now here, enter your choice which you want, SMS bomb or call bomb. Just for SMS bomb, press 1 and enter. Now enter your country code. For example, I am typing here 91 as I am in India. After that, you will have to enter the victim's number. Here I am hiding my number for privacy concerns. Now enter the number of SMS you want to send. I will prefer 20 and enter the delay time in seconds. For example, I am typing here 5. You can see here the bombing has been started on the victim's number. To stop the bombing, just simply press Ctrl plus Z to suspend the bombing. So stay tuned for such hacking related content and thanks for watching this video.